I go to a Blakedown level crossing in Worcestershire with Spike and Callow.
Hi guys, here at Blakedown level crossing, Worcestershire, with Spike the Frog and Callow 5, and Will Scriven should be here. Hope he does come here tonight, because I wanted to meet him.
Time is 1827, Saturday 20th June 2015, and this is for 1837, sorry. And this is for 1831, 41, 2C38, 68, London Minnesota from Great Malvern to Dorridge. We're going from over there. Since this next one's delayed to 1900, I'll try and get him there. Sounds like the other alarm's still out of tone.
These crossings are known for changing as well.
I know, it's the water.
Name, Blakedown. OS grid reference.
Grid reference.
SO 881787. Millage. OWW 138M 51CH.
In emergency telephone 0121 345 5711. I didn't say triple this time. Am I correct? He does live that side.
I suggest I go knocking on some random person's door. Could be dangerous, naughty people lived here.
Here comes the train. Like usual, 170. It'd be nice if I got that, it didn't say it on RPT, but it'd be nice if I got that empty coaching stock thing again with the 153 and 170 or something. Just keep your eye for any person something on this. Got 172/3, please don't be treble 3. If it is, I'm dead. 172337.
172337 to Dorridge.
172337 to Dorridge. And go.
Hi, Space, this was Blakedown level crossing. I'm gone. I'll probably film the train and leave you for the platform.
The
172-337
and
even Blakedown. Next stop will be Hagley, I think.
Next one's delayed due to flooding. Even though that was meant to us, thank you. Anyway, thanks guys, I shall leave you on the lovely side of Blakedown. See you in the next video.
Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video, and I'll say that's it.